Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the eye makeup, the basic eye makeup, the people who want to do eye makeup but don't know how to do it. Girls, I got you. So in this video, I'm just going to show simple tricks for a single shade eyeshadow first. I know we are going to upgrade this eyeshadows series, but for now, I'm going to do first simple video on the eyeshadow basics, and you can wear it on any occasions like in your college or in any marriage or functions, anything. So that's the idea about this video. I hope you guys would like it, and okay, let's get to the video. As you guys can see that I have already done my base makeup with a lipstick, because I thought you have seen me so many times doing all the face makeup and lipstick, and in this video it is specially about the eye makeup. So I thought, why not just keep it precise, simple, and only about eye makeup. So first of all, what you can do is you need a concealer either or a eyeshadow primer. I know eyeshadow primer can be very tacky, or you are not a makeup person, so you are not going to buy it. So a concealer would do. Any concealer would do. Just make sure that it dries quickly. In that case, I can suggest you the Fit Me ones and the LA Colors one. LA Colors? No. LA Girl ones. They dries very quickly. So if you are an oily skin person or your eyelids tend to oil a lot, it will help you. So first of all, what I did, I took this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige and just applied it on my eyelid. As you can see that they are slightly oily still. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set it with a powder, any compact powder or any loose powder you have would do. And secondly, to prevent the shadow from ruining my base, I do this step always when I do my eye makeup, whether it is heavy eye makeup or not. I just don't skip it because I find it very helpful. It's up to you whether to do it or not, but I find it helpful. So I'm going to do it. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm taking any palette what I like, but I'll make sure that it has some mauvey or some brownie undertone colors that will help me to create crease on my eyes. So here I'm taking this Morphe palette. Let me show you. It has beautiful neutrals and shimmery colors. It is like this. I think you can see it. Yeah, it's like this. Colors like this brown or this color will help you to create your crease. It is really a basic task. I'm talking a lot, that's why you may find it complicated, but I'll show you. It is really easy. I have three palette suggestions for you that you can buy and you won't regret, I guarantee you. The first is this one, Faces Canada. It is All-Time Pro range in the yeah, it is nude palette. It has beautiful browns and some shimmery as well as matte colors. The second is this one, Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection. This is City Mini palette, and let me see if yeah, this is Chill Brunch Neutrals. Look at the colors; they are so beautiful. Sorry for this broken one. I'm sorry. It was a really nice color, but I broke it. And the third one is this Alley Girl nudes. It has the mauve neutral, the brown neutrals, and shimmery shades. I think a lot. So, and one white color. So, it's a good palette to invest in. It is for. Okay. I'll link every palette in the description box below. So, don't forget to check out my description box. It will help you a lot. So now finally for my eye makeup, I'm taking this shade called Editorial and putting it on my crease like this. And if you don't understand where your crease is, it's totally fine. It's really easy. Just feel where is your brow bone. Exactly underneath it, it's your crease. So just put the color slightly below your brow bone, right? And never give too much pressure on your eyes. It will stain the color on your eyes and it will be hard to move further. So just, you can see here. What you can do is just hold your brush from really far. What happens with this is your pressure automatically goes down. When you hold your brush from here, it will pressurize your brush. But when you hold it from here, your pressure will automatically be down. And one more thing, that when you are going to apply the eyeshadow, always apply first on your outer corners, because that's where you are going to deposit the most product. If you are directly going in your inner corners, you will deposit most of the product of the brush in inner corners, and that's not what we want. In outer corners, it will create some depth, but in inner corners, it will look bad. Simply. So always do this. Never do this. And now for the shimmery shade, I'm taking this color, Unique here. You can take whatever, if you like rose gold, if you like purple metallic colors, or any other silver colors you can take. I want to take gold because I like it. So what you can do is just take the eyeshadow in your finger. Fingers pick the most pigment. Now, to make sure that everything looks blended, I am taking the same shade on this brush and just lightly blend it out. And you want to make sure that you apply some color on your lower lash line so that it gives the definition to the eyeshadow and your eye. I'm taking the same color, the editorial, and just running through the my lower lash line. And one more thing, maybe you have seen people highlighting their brow bones and their inner corners. We call it tear duct. What it does, it highlights that parts. Maybelline Master Chrome, my favorite highlighter, and just taking like this, yeah, taking like this, and putting it my inner corners. Yeah. It instantly brightens the inner corner. And for my brow bone, so these are little tips and tricks that makes the whole eye look put together and awesome. Now it's the time for eyeliner, and if you guys have known me, I don't like to wear eyeliner a lot. But if you wanna wear, you can wear. It is the point, it is the time where you apply your eyeliner and afterwards you apply your mascara and lashes. If you want to know how to create a good eyeliner, winged eyeliner, so I have a tutorial on my IGTV or my Instagram. I have linked my Instagram in the description box as well as here. So go check it out, show some love. And now for mascara. And this mascara is bomb. I love Maybelline mascaras. Like, it's like every mascara is magic. The Hypergirl, the Lash Sensational, the Colossal one, the Total Temptation, the Falsies one. I love every mascara that Maybelline gives out. And now for tight lining my eyes, I am taking this Maybelline Tattoo Eyeliner. Sorry, tat- Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon Pen. This is how it looks. It is like a retractable pencil. You can retract it. And this is what, if you are wondering how it swatches, pretty much smooth. Now, I don't like to go all the way to the inner corners for my kajal, just because this will make my eyes more small. And for tight lining, I love tight lining, but it is really painful when especially you have watery eyes. You can all the way tightline your eyes, like from here to here. If you have bigger eyes, it will make an illusion of making it smaller. So if you have bigger eyes, go for tightlining all the way in your eyes. Just make sure you don't poke into your eyes. I'll be right back with my lashes on, because lashes are optional. You don't need to wear lashes if you are not comfortable with it. But I love lashes, so I'll be right back. And I'm back with my lashes on. I know they are a bit of dramatic, but I love dramatic lashes. And I'll try to wear more wearable lashes. And my all lashes are like this, the 3D, mink, and fluttery lashes. I love them. But I'll try to keep them down. If you guys don't like it, tell me in the comment section below. I'll do what you guys like next time. And that was for the eye makeup. I hope you guys liked it and find it helpful. I tried to keep it simple and give you guys more and more tricks and tips about the eye makeup. I hope you guys have find it helpful. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and please click the bell icon so that you get notification every time I post a new video. And that's it for the video, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.